What do you want? Yeah?
I went on for long.
Not for long. Kristen, how do you feel about this? Hey, Guy! Guy!
Yeah.
Hey, Guy!
Don't rotate it because I can't flip it on the video.
What?
What do you mean by that? Don't let me...
I was
in your freshman seminar.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Wow!
What a coincidence. Kristen.
What? That's pretty, that's a smart comment. Pretty smooth. Yeah, not smooth at all.
Pretty smooth. You did?
This is our room.
Yeah.
Alright,
good night.
Good night.
Walk me. No, I actually want it to